Do you know India aimed to deploy Desi Iron Dome on the borders by 2028-2029, which can detect and destroy incoming fleet fighters, aircrafts, drones, cruise missiles, and precision-guided mutation at high range of up to 350 km. Yes, Iron Dome is the same defense system which has interception capabilities, and that is indigenously built long-range surface-to-air missile system. It is actually developed by DRDO under the ambitious project Kusha. And I wanted to tell you that this defense system is comparable to the formidable Russian S-400 trimmed air defense system. And on last month, the defense minister also accorded the acceptance of necessity or AON for the procurement of 5 of its squadron for the Indian Air Force at the cost of 21,700 crores. Now come to know how Iron Dome works. Passing through 5 stages, this dome going to intercept any target of the enemy. On first stage, when enemy rocket fire, our radar system going to detect the rocket and track its actual location. On third stage, our control system going to estimate the actual impact point. On fourth stage, launcher fire the missile to intercept the enemy rockets, and on final stage, missile going to explode near it to destroying the enemy's rocket. This is how Iron Dome sealed the area from any kind of terror or the missile attack. This is how Iron Dome sealed the area from any kind of terror or the missile attacks. Do you know that